Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of our self-compassion challenge. Today I'm here to educate you on what is a normal heart rate and how to find your RPR or resting pulse rate with your fingers. I will also be sharing how to bring about self-awareness to your physical and mental self, including how you can be one with your metabolic system. Now let's begin with taking your resting pulse rate. This is best measured as soon as you get out of bed. To check your pulse at your wrist, place your index and middle fingers between the bone and the tendon over your radial artery, which is located on the thumb side of your wrist. When you feel your pulse, count the number of beats in 15 seconds. You can use your mobile app or your stop clock or a manual timer to time yourself. Now multiply this number by 4 to calculate your beats per minute, BPM. Now this is your heart rate. Your pulse rate is a direct measurement of your heart rate. To get an accurate reading, repeat this procedure throughout the day in intervals of every 4 hours. Use the average of these values and this will be your ideal heart rate at rest. Before measuring your resting heart rate, make sure that you do it 1 to 2 hours after exercise or a stressful event, as your heart rate can suddenly increase after doing strenuous activities. You should wait an hour after consuming caffeine, coffee or tea, as it can cause your heart rate to rise and kickstart palpitations. Now if you don't take the reading after long periods of sitting or standing, this also can affect your heart rate. Now have you made a note of your pulse measurement? That's great. What is a normal resting heart rate? For adults, it's typically 60 to 100 beats per minute. A heart rate that is slower than 60 beats per minute is considered slow heart or bradycardia, and a rate that is faster than 100 beats per minute is fast heart or tachycardia. Now among healthy people, a slow heart rate can be due to being physically fit, due to medication or your sleeping patterns. So if you have a slower heart rate, it might indicate signs of diseases that could include heart diseases like heart attack, certain infections, high levels of potassium in the blood, or an underactive thyroid. Therefore, by monitoring your heart rate, you can help track trends and patterns that are personal to you. Did you know since ancient times, the heart has been a symbol of our emotions? Now having said this, there is a science behind why this is a physical link between our emotions and our heart health. When you exhibit compassion and kindness, firstly to yourself and then onto others as well, an emotional warmth emerges, therefore releasing a hormone known as oxytocin, which is also called the cardioprotective hormone, as it protects your heart by lowering your blood pressure. This hormone also increases our self-esteem and optimism, which can be very helpful when we are in a situation that makes us feel anxious or sometimes shy. Did you know that if you continuously act and believe in self-compassion and kindness, you can actually increase your positive moods? Your relationship satisfaction can be better and be socially more accepted. This is because now your fun hormone has taken over and decreased the production level of your stress hormone called cortisol. Be aware of the impact of your red in your body. Start with maintaining a healthy heart rate. Try practicing this task every day. Make it a routine if it's possible. This is a good start in loving yourself and being compassionate. See you all tomorrow.